Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my recipes, and this is my recipe for lemon curd. Let's get started.
Only 4 ingredients today. We need 3 lemons. We'll be using the zest and the juice. 5 egg yolks plus 2 whole eggs. 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar. 1/4 cup or 65 grams of butter. I start out by zesting one of my lemons. To zest a lemon, use the finest grater you have and scrape the peel along it. All you want is the yellow part. Stop zesting as soon as you see white. This peel holds a tremendous amount of lemon flavor. It also smells amazing. Once you finish zesting the lemon, it's time to juice them. I couldn't find my lemon juicer today, so I juiced them by hand. I found it helpful to roll them on the table to loosen up the juice inside. Then cut them in half, remove the visible seeds, and squeeze the lemon together, letting the juice drip into a bowl. It's a good idea to strain it afterwards in case any seeds slipped past you. Then, in a metal or glass bowl, pour the lemon juice and lemon zest, eggs, and sugar. Then whisk it together and break all the yolks. Then heat it over a double boiler for about 10 minutes or until the mixture starts to thicken. It will also get slightly lighter in color. Once finished, it will look like this. Then add your butter. It's best if your butter is cold for this step because it will cool your mixture and help the cooking process to stop. Mix the butter in until it melts. Lemon curd is tangy and sweet and has a very strong lemon flavor. It's a great filling for a cake or folding into buttercream to make it lemon flavored, or it's also the base for lemon meringue pie. Finally, let your mixture cool for at least half an hour and it will thicken to a pudding-like consistency. This lemon curd freezes beautifully as well. I can eat it with a spoon. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today and that it helps you make the perfect lemon curd for your project. Tag me on Instagram if you make it yourself. I would love to see your work. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials.